1,000 books and your words will flow like a river. I repeat, read 1,000 books and your words will flow like a river. So I really am, I'm not surprised and amazed to tell this in front of my students because I know very well that my students are pretty aware of this fact. Correct? That yes, the more you read, the more intellectual you become. And anyways, it is of great help to you in any field you are in, right? So I extend the heartiest and a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, my lovely teachers, and all my dear students. This challenge of proses, literature, and elements that make up this resident language continues one last time with you, our finalists. Your extraordinary command on the subject and your linguistic talents have brought a select few to this final round. And now it's time to don your thinking caps, clasp that author's pen, and give this challenge your literary best. Your words have all the power to make you victorious. All that you need is presence of mind and simply go ahead. So I wish a very good luck to all my students to do well in the coming up quiz, in the upcoming quiz, and put up a very good show. So winning is fun, sure, but winning is not the point. Wanting to win is the point. Not giving up is the point. Never letting up is the point. Never being satisfied with what you've done is the point. So I hope all my students agree with this, right? Yes. So moving on, let's see. We can move ahead, ma'am. So we begin with the English quiz now. So in the Cygnus house, the participants are Miss Akriti Pinjala, Master Arush Gujjar, Miss Shrija Shah, Master Sharnam Dubey. Moving ahead to the next house. Delphinus. In Delphinus, we have Master Ishan Joshi, Master Priyansh Saxena, Miss Sanskruti Malali, Master Shreyash Mishra. Let's see the next house. In Pegasus, we have Miss Eva Sanju, Miss Harshika Pandey, Miss Gauri Gupta, and Miss Ananya Das. And coming up to the next house, Phoenix, we have Miss Nikita Chaturvedi, Master Krishay Jetwa, Master Swanand Dattar, and Master Lavya Salva. So I welcome all of you children to the quiz.
Welcome students. Welcome and best of luck children.
All the best. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wish you good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving ahead, let me tell you, we'll be having 4 different rounds. First will be general round. Second will be visual round. Third, we'll be having audio round. And last but not the least, we'll have rapid fire round. So moving ahead, let's see the very first round. Some instructions are coming up. So I want my students to be very carefully, good listeners right now. Listen to the instructions. Each house will unmute themselves and answer only when a question is asked to that particular house. This is the basic instruction, goes in all the rounds. So you need to keep it in mind. Next, for every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking per answer. Okay? So there are no negative markings. You do not have to panic or worry. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. So the questions are not passable. Okay? Answering time is only 30 seconds. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. So initially also I told you all that you will be getting the answers declared after the time is up, not in the midst. Okay? Sudipa ma'am, can we move ahead? Yes. So each team would be asked 4 questions. Each house will be asked 4 questions in the general round. So all set, children? The very first question coming up for the Cygnus house. Tweedledum and Tweedledee are 2 characters of which children's book? Is it Alice in Wonderland, Peter Pan, The Cat in the Hat, or Cinderella? And your time begins now.
Alice in Wonderland.
Ma'am, Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
I hope Cygnus house is answering. No other house?
Alice in the Wonderland.
Cygnus house says that it is Alice in Wonderland. What do you think? It's right or it's wrong?
Ma'am, it is wrong. It is wrong.
Who says it's wrong?
Ma'am,
Let the time go over, then I reveal the answer.
No, ma'am, it's Alice in Wonderland.
So here we end up with the time and give a big round of applause to Cygnus. It's the right answer. So 10 points for Cygnus house. Well done. Moving ahead to the next house. Moving ahead to the next question. It is for Delphinus. In which novel of Roald Dahl the character Willy Wonka can be found? Is it Maltadam? Is it Charlie the Chocolate Factory? Is it James and the Giant Peach? Or is it Fantastic Mr. Fox? And your time begins now.
It is a chocolate factory. Chocolate factory. That is the second option. The second option.
We want.
Ma'am, the second option.
Ma'am,
B.
the second question. Ma'am, the second question only. And the timer, please.
Ma'am, there is an audio problem. Please just give me.
Okay. So what are you all saying? It's according to you?
The chocolate factory. The B.
That's
Charlie
the
and the chocolate factory.
Charlie. How many of you agree? Give me a thumbs up. How many of you agree? Give me a thumbs up. How many of you think it's a right answer?
Yeah,
Ma'am, it's Charlie and the chocolate factory.
Yes, Sudipa ma'am. Any
yeah,
problem?
ma'am. Next time I'm going to put a stopwatch. So
You tell me the time. Yeah, you tell me the time. Exactly.
yeah, sure. Sure.
So the time is over. So the correct answer
Oh my God,
is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So well done, Delphinus. 10
Can I do
points
the next
to
one?
Delphinus also. Yes.
Yeah.
Moving to the next question, ma'am. Pegasus, this is for you. Alfred Jingle is a character from which Charles Dickens novel? Is it Oliver Twist, The Pickwick Papers, Hard Times, or Little Dorrit? What is it? The time starts now. Come on, Pegasus, come on. Read the
Come on,
question.
students.
Time is flying.
Ma'am, is it the Little Dorrit?
Ma'am, the Pickwick Papers.
Pick up one option and give me a final answer. I cannot give you multiple
The
chances.
Pickwick Papers. B.
Okay, 7 more
Option B.
milliseconds to go.
Ma'am, option
And
B.
Your time's up.
Time is up. What have you decided? What is the answer?
Option B, ma'am.
Option B.
Pickwick
Okay, so the answer is very much correct. Big round of applause for Pegasus as well. Well done. The answer is Pickwick Papers. Very good. Now the next question coming up in the second one for which house? Phoenix. The characters Piggy, Jack, and Ralph appear in which book? Animal Farm, The Lord of the Flies, Where the Wild Things Are, or Good Night Moon. What is it? Your time begins. Come on, Phoenix.
Ma'am, A. Animal Farm.
Animal
Farm.
Don't give me multiple answers. Don't give me finalize one and tell me the option. It's A, B, C, or D.
A, ma'am.
A, ma'am, A. Animal Farm.
Okay, there are 4 seconds left yet to go, and here we end with the time.
B.
Option given by Phoenix is A, and I'm sorry to say it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is option B. Option
I told.
It's okay. You need to be firm onto that. No problem. So now let's moving ahead to this next
Yeah,
question.
ma'am, just a minute, please. Just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we are done with one questions from all the 4 houses. Now let's see in the next set.
Ma'am, you speak this course.
there?
Yeah, I'll just do it.
Priya ma'am, can you please tell us the score meanwhile after the first set?
Right now, ma'am, or after all the 4 sets?
After the general round only, I need the score actually. Ma'am, Sudeepa ma'am, you are
Yes,
ready?
yeah, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll put it on hold. We'll go
Yes.
together towards the end of general round. Yeah.
Just give me 2 minutes. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Again, second question,
Yeah.
Cygnus.
So this is the
Yes.
second set. Okay. So this is for Cygnus house.
Adept
Choose
એટલે
synonym of adept. Is it alter?
Alter એટલે alter.
Follow. Let the timer begin. Yes, your time has started. Yes, Cygnus. Block one answer. What is it?
Ma'am.
How many? So the house is having a consent. Still 17 seconds are there. I'm giving you time.
Expert. Ma'am.
Okay, 9 seconds more. Expert at. According to Cygnus, the answer is expert at. And I take the pleasure in saying that you are correct. Very well done. Good one, Cygnus.
Very good.
Very good. Well done. Next, choose the synonym of imbecile. Is it stupid? Is it patient? Or is it clever? A, B, or C? And your time starts now. Come on, time is running.
Ma'am,
It's 18 seconds left.
Stupid.
Ma'am, stupid.
Answer.
Stupid, ma'am.
9 more seconds.
Stupid,
9
ma'am.
more seconds. Okay, and your time is over. And I would like to say it's correct. Option
Very
A
good.
is the correct answer. Very good, Delphinus.
Well done.
Very good.
Now moving to the next house. That's Pegasus. Choose the antonym of optimist. Is it positive? Is it pessimist?
Ma'am, B. Pessimist.
Pessimist.
And your time has begun.
Pessimist.
Pessimist. Sure. All the Pegasus house students will give me a thumbs up if they agree with the answer. Let me see. Okay, all 4 agree. Great. This is called teamwork, team spirit. What do you say, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Team spirit.
Perfect.
Oh,
Absolutely correct.
Great. And just 3 seconds left for me to reveal the answer. And I would like to say correct. Well done.
Very
Pegasus.
good.
Kudos. Good.
Very good, children. Excellent.
Phoenix. Moving to Phoenix. Choose the antonym of abject. Noble, pitiful, or despicable. Ma'am, the timer begins now. Come on, Phoenix, come on. Back up. What will be the antonym of abject? Time is running. 19 seconds more to go. Ma'am, not even one. Noble. Sorry? Noble, ma'am. Give me a thumbs up, all the teammates, if you agree. Noble, and here I reveal the answer. Very well done. Perfect.
Good.
The right answer.
Very good.
Good. And here we end with set 2. Now let's move on to the third set of questions. Here you have to identify the figure of speech. Children, please mute yourself. There are some disturbances coming. Identify the figure of speech in the sentence. Death lays its icy hands on king. What figure of speech it is? Time begins. Come on, Siddhi.
Ma'am, personification.
So this is metaphor. And Swanand is answering. Anand, are you answering?
Ma'am, personification.
Personification. Final.
And I lock your answer here. It is the correct answer. Personification.
Very good.
Well done. Very good. Very good. Let's see, the next question goes for which house? Delphinus. The boat was tossed like a cork on the waves. The boat was tossed like a cork on the waves. Which figure of speech is it? And your time begins. Come on, Delphinus. Think over. And give me one answer.
Tossed like a cork on the way.
14 seconds to go. Delphinus out. 7 seconds. No, tell me fast. Answer.
Metaphor.
I'm so sorry. Even in the last minute you gave the answer, but it's wrong. It's not a metaphor. It is a simile. So sorry, Delphinus. No way. Next time. Next question goes to which house, Sudipa ma'am? Pegasus. Okay. The storm was a savage beast. The storm was a savage beast. And your time begins now. Which figure of speech it is?
Ma'am, metaphor.
Ma'am, metaphor.
All the teammates agree to the answer.
Metaphor, ma'am. Metaphor.
Have 2 seconds. Pegasus.
Ma'am, it's metaphor.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with Eva.
It's a metaphor.
Okay, according to Eva, it's a metaphor, and 6 more seconds to go for me to lock the answer. And here I reveal it's the right answer. Well done,
Very
Pegasus.
good.
Perfect.
Very good.
Good going. Good going.
Good confidence.
Yes.
Great. Now we have it for Phoenix. There was a loud thump coming up from upstairs. Which figure of speech it is? And your time begins. Come on, Phoenix.
Ma'am, metaphor.
Still 19
Metaphor.
seconds.
Metaphor. Ma'am, metaphor. Metaphor.
According to Anand, it's metaphor. Teammates, you may agree to him.
Yes, ma'am.
7 more seconds. And reveal. Swanan, I'm so sorry, Phoenix. This is the wrong answer. It's onomatopoeia. It's not a metaphor. I'm so sorry. So here, Phoenix loses point. It's okay. Moving ahead to the last set of questions, wherein, children, you have to spell the word in that time slot, okay? In 30 seconds, you have to spell the word which I'll be asking you to. So for Cygnus, the word is accommodation. The word is accommodation, and your time starts now.
A-C.
Ma'am, A-C-M-M-D-A-I-N.
Accommodation.
Okay. Still time is there.
Ma'am.
A-C-O-M-M-D-A-C-I-O-N.
Okay, I got your answer. I'm waiting for the time to end to reveal. And with a heavy heart, I will have to say it's a wrong answer. We don't have double M in accommodation. I'm sorry. So the correct answer is ACCOMODATION, accommodation. Okay. So Cygnus loses here, Priya ma'am. Next we have Delphinus. Delphinus, ears open. Don't be in a hurry. Just stick to the time and give me the answer. Take your time. So your word is, Ishan, can you please mute yourself, Bita? There's a disturbance from your end. Otherwise, they'll not be able to hear. Thank you. The word for Delphinus is apprehensive. The word is apprehensive. And your time starts now.
APPREHENSIVE.
Okay. Okay, I locked this. I locked this. Till 15 seconds, 12 seconds.
Ma'am.
I already got the answer.
APPREHENSIVE.
I already got the answer, and you'll be happy to know it's the correct answer.
Yes.
Good job.
Very
Good one, Delphinus. Good work. Next, we have for which team? Let's see. It's for Pegasus. Then your word is accumulation. Your word is accumulation. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, it is ACCUMACATION.
Okay, so I locked
Ma'am,
this.
1 minute. I have to cross check
Tell me when the time is over.
Ma'am,
Start at the same.
ACCUMULATION.
I have taken the very first
Yes, ma'am,
spelling.
it is ACCUMULATION.
Stop. Not so many attempts. Children, not so many attempts. First attempt, that's what I told you. Think and then answer. And I took the first spelling given by Eva or somebody, I think, from who gave that? This girl. Another one from Hori. So the first spelling which your temperature Pegasus house was wrong. I can't give you multiple choices. I'm so sorry. So the correct spelling given by Eva was in the second attempt. That is ACCUMULATION. Accumulation. Okay. Next is for the last word for Phoenix. Phoenix house, please pay attention. The word is assimilation. The word for Phoenix is assimilation, and your time starts now.
Neha, ma'am, am I audible? Is the audio audible?
Yes.
Can you
But
repeat
you know, the
the
timer audio is not audible, ma'am. Timer audio.
Ma'am, repeat the word.
Assimilation, I already told. Come on, give the answer. 9 seconds.
Ma'am,
I'm sorry, you're too late. And even the spelling was not correct. So Phoenix is here, Priya ma'am. The correct spelling is ASSIMILATION. Assimilation.
Ma'am, I was
So with
spelling
this we
that
come
only.
to an end of the general round. With this we come to an end of the general round, and let's move on to Priya ma'am to find out the scores. Priya ma'am, please reveal the scores.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Neha, ma'am. Okay, children, you are doing wonderful. The scores here after the first round are Phoenix is at 10 and Cygnus, Delphinus and Pegasus. All three are at 30 each. The
Good
Cygnus is also 30,
Perfect.
Delphinus also 30 and Pegasus also 30. Okay, buck up children, you are doing good. Phoenix, sure
Good
you will
job,
do good in
good
the
job.
next round.
Yeah, so we can see a neck-to-neck competition, Priya ma'am. What do you say?
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah, neck to neck.
All are
competition.
competing, Sudhiba ma'am. They're competing very well, Vanita ma'am. So it's
Yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Wonderful.
It's good to see. Good round. Big round of applause for all of you children. After the first round, keep up the spirit and let's move ahead. Let's move ahead to the second round,
Okay.
which will be a visual round. Yes. Second round will be a visual round, and I want my students to be very vigilant. stick to the screen, identify whatever you get to see, and then answer. Don't be in a hurry to give up the answer. You may lose in that case, right? Correct? So 30 seconds are intact with you. You may give your answers. You can give your answers in that time slot. So here comes the first, a question for Cygnus House. Who is the antagonist in this book?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Listen to the question, children. Who is the antagonist in this book?
Ma'am, the real name of the person. Ma'am, the real
Time has
name is
been-
Daniel Radcliffe.
Okay, I'm locking your answer. 7 more seconds to go for me to reveal whether you're right or wrong. With a heavy heart, I would have
Ma'am.
to say it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is
Lord Voldemort.
Voldemort.
Lord Voldemort.
Voldemort. Yes. Children, listen carefully. See the question and then answer. Don't be in a hurry and don't be overexcited. The moment you saw Harry Potter, you lost everything. You know the answer. So relax. Questions you have to see first and then answer. It's okay, Cygnus. No losing heart. Relax. Moving into the next house. Who is the antagonist in this book? This goes for Delphinus. Who is the antagonist in this book? And your time starts now.
Rudyard Kipling.
Shreyas, are you sure? Read the question again. Who is the antagonist in this book? 15 seconds left. I'm locking Shreyas. Your answer, as you said.
No, ma'am, Sher Khan. Ma'am, Sher Khan. Ma'am, Sher Khan.
Do I, ma'am, second attempt, am I supposed to take? I doubt. I'm
Sher
not
Khan.
supposed to take the second attempt. So the very first attempt taken by Shreyas was Rudyard Kipling, which is a wrong answer.
Ma'am, but I said it correct.
You were too late, Sanskriti. You should have coordinated with your team. No problem, Delphinus. The correct answer was Sher Khan, but you lose it here. It's okay.
Can I go to the next one?
And answer, yes, ma'am. Please move ahead with the next slide. Peter says, who is the antagonist in this book? And your time begins. Your time has started, Pegasus. Who is the antagonist in this book? Please identify and tell me within the time, not after time. Come on, Pegasus. You're doing pretty well. 4 seconds to go. Oh my God. Are you trying to run it? Oh my goodness. Time up. It's okay. So Pegasus didn't even attempt this question. So let me reveal. The antagonist in this book is Heidi. And it is from the novel The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll. I hope you all know this. If not, find it out later. Okay, moving to the last question of this set. Who is the antagonist in this book? Please listen to the question. Who is the antagonist in this book? And your time begins now, Phoenix. Come on, think.
Ma'am,
Very
Captain
good, the
James
character,
Hook.
but I want to know the antagonist.
Captain James Hook. Captain James Hook.
Okay, is that Swanand? Okay, Swanand, I lock your answer. Captain James Hook. And your time is about to end for me to reveal. And I would like to give the answer with a big round of applause. It is the correct answer. Well done, Swanand. And the team.
Well done.
Captain James Hook. Perfect. So, with this,
Neha ma'am would like to just interrupt over here.
Neha ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
am I audible? Yeah.
Yes,
Just a
ma'am. You're
second. That Sher Khan one answer, na, it was within 30 seconds. We were just checking out at the back end, so it can be
Okay.
considered, ma'am. It was
Correct.
within the time limit given. Okay.
Okay.
So
Ma'am, actually, it
please,
was in
scorer,
the
please,
second attempt. Ah. Actually, it
because we
was
are
in the
giving the
second.
time for discussion, na, and then within 30 seconds they have to give their final answer.
Acha, okay.
So
So, ma'am,
scorer,
if the
please make a
second
note of
attempt
it.
they are giving the correct answer, I'll consider it.
You just ask them, confirm it before the 30 second ends.
Acha, okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, fine, ma'am. So we give
So
your
scorer, please keep a note of it.
Yeah, ma'am. Which house, ma'am? Neha, ma'am.
Delphinus. Delphinus.
Delphinus. Okay, ma'am.
Will get their score.
Neha ma'am,
For this time.
Neha ma'am, just give me
Yes,
2
ma'am. Very
seconds.
happy. Thank you for
Yeah.
supporting us, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, Sanskriti. That's
Neha
nice.
ma'am, just give me a minute. I'll just check the audio on my laptop. Okay? Just give me a minute. Is the music
Till
audible?
then, please have.
Is the
Yes,
music
ma'am.
audible?
No, no, no. The timer music is not audible.
Okay, let me just check. 1 second.
So Priya ma'am, you need more time. Are you done with the score?
Yes,
Can you
yes,
review the
I am.
score?
Yes, ma'am. With the end of this second round, Cygnus has scored 0 points here. Then Delphinus has scored 10 points in the second round. Pegasus also no marks, 0. And Phoenix has scored 10 in
Okay.
the second round. Ma'am,
Okay.
should I tell the total of
Total.
first and second round? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So after the end of the second round, Cygnus is at 30, Delphinus is at 40 points,
Very good.
Pegasus is also at 30, and Phoenix has moved a bit ahead with 20 points.
Wow. So we can give a big round of applause for all the students, all the houses.
Very good.
They're playing really very well. Keep up the spirit, children. And with the same spirit, let's move on to the next round. That will be your audio round. Okay. Now here you need to be very vigilant. You need to listen to the audio of your houses very carefully and then answer within 30 minutes time. Okay. Am I
30 seconds time.
Sorry, 30 seconds time. Am I audible to all of you children? Is it clear to all? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. This 30 seconds time you have to stick to and answer.
Shall I start,
Neha
ma'am?
ma'am? Yes, Neha ma'am. Yes.
Done.
Okay. So
Sorry.
now your time begins, children. Coordinate among your team and let me know what would be the answer.
Can you please tell the question, Neha ma'am?
Identify the jingle and tell which superhero comic character
So
it
sorry.
is. I repeat
So
the
sorry, ma'am.
question.
So sorry. Yeah.
Identify the jingle and tell which superhero comic character it is.
Neha ma'am, I'm putting the timer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On my phone.
Okay. So, children, your time has already started.
Seconds.
Tell me the
15.
time, ma'am.
Yes, 18 seconds.
18 seconds to go. Any
23
clue?
seconds done.
The time is
27, 28, 29.
29 and welcome.
Time up.
Ma'am,
Time
The
Time
time
up.
is up.
Time is up. Sorry.
Time is up. So I would like to tell you the answer to this question is Batman. The comic character was Batman. It's okay. Well tried. Ma'am, can we go have the next slide?
Next one? Yes.
Identify the jingle and tell which superhero comic character it is. Again, you'll have an audio. Pay attention.
Okay, your time starts now.
Yes, your timer has begun. You can tell me, Delphinus House, which comic character it is. Jingle which you heard.
Superman.
Is that Ishan answering? Ma'am, just let me know the time, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, according to Ishan, it's
20
Superman.
seconds. 20 seconds are gone. 24, 25, 26,
And here
27,
we
28, 29, 30. Time up.
Okay, and I would take a pleasure to announce it's the correct answer. Well done, Delphinus.
Very
Perfect.
good.
Big round of applause. Very good. It is Superman. Moving ahead to the next house. Let's see. What do we have for them? Pegasus. Now you identify the jingle and tell which superhero comic character it is. And here it goes.
Done.
And students, your time starts now.
Now.
None Avengers.
Okay. Okay.
You're on 10 seconds.
Still have time.
Yeah, they still have a lot of time. 15 seconds. Yeah, that's
In particular,
None Avengers.
22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and time
and
up.
the time ends.
Time up.
Perfect, perfect. I'll give them this. This goes in Pegasus.
Oh,
Very good, Pegasus.
very good.
Well done.
Very good, children.
Perfect.
We go to the next one.
This goes for Pegasus. Now, next we have for
Ma'am, 1 second. Sorry.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Next we have for Phoenix, I suppose.
Next house.
There is a. Sorry.
Now you also have to identify this jingle, dear children. Please see the listen to the jingle and tell me the comic character it is from. Ma'am, please play.
Yes. ma'am. Okay, your time starts now. Your time starts now, Phoenix House.
Spider-Man.
7 seconds. 10 seconds.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
14 seconds.
Spider-Man.
15 seconds to go.
No,
Okay.
no. 20
Okay.
seconds are done. 10 more seconds. 8 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
One. And then
Yay.
that is the correct answer.
Correct
Spider-Man. This
Thank
goes
you.
for Phoenix. Very well done.
I remember the song also. We used to
Exactly.
watch it in our childhood. Since our
Correct. And could easily relate to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the song was Spider-Man, Spider-Man to Nature.
Spider-Man.
Thank you.
Very well done, Phoenix.
Very
Okay.
Very good, children.
So with this, we come to an end to the audio round as well. And now I would request Priya ma'am to update us with the scores.
Yeah.
Okay, so children doing very well, going great. So Cygnus could not score any points in this round. Delphinus has scored 10. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, Priya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya ma'am, just for a minute, do not announce the scores.
Okay, ma'am.
With the Pegasus slide, we cannot go with the Avengers answer, Neha ma'am.
It was, yes, ma'am, because students gave Avengers and it is Iron Man. So what do we do?
Yeah, they were supposed to identify the character. So we need
Yes,
to go with
correct.
Iron Man.
Okay. Okay, then we withdraw the marks from Pegasus House because I told this as well that the particular character I'm looking for, but it was Iron Man. Overall, you all said Avengers. So we withdraw the marks from Pegasus in this particular round, Priya ma'am. You know.
Dear scorers, kindly make a note of it.
In this third round, Cygnus did not score anything, but all the three houses, in fact, Pegasus also the. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Cygnus and Pegasus did not score anything. Delphinus and Phoenix scored 10 marks individually. And now the score is Cygnus 30, Delphinus is 50, Pegasus is 30, and Phoenix is 30.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very
Well done,
good.
children. Good one. Now we begin with the rapid fire round, children. In this, we'll have 10 questions per, ma'am, please wait.
Yes.
We'll have 10 questions per house and you'll be allotted 60 seconds time to answer those questions. Got it? We'll have 10 questions per round and you'll be given 60 seconds time to answer those questions. You need to be very vigilant while listening to the questions. I want one candidate from each house to be nominated to answer the questions. Okay? So now you people decide mutually who will be representing which house for the rapid fire round. Ma'am, we begin with the Cygnus house, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So tell me one candidate from Cygnus house who will be there representing and answering the questions.
Ma'am, can I try?
As in you have to answer the question, so you tell me who is going to go ahead with. All the team members are okay with it?
So,
Ma'am, can I?
Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Sharnam.
Sharnam from which house? Cygnus house?
okay, ma'am, do we take it? Give your green signal, Neha, ma'am.
Okay then, fine. Let's move ahead. Rest will please stay in the mute mode and Sharnam will be answering for Cygnus house.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we begin with the questions. Vanita ma'am and Priya ma'am, please note. Identify the alien in the picture, which means you agree with someone completely. Come on, Sharnam. If you don't know, tell me fast. I'll take the next question.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Next, ma'am, next please. Give one word with the suffix age. Found in a book. Found in a book.
Come on. Question if you do not know.
Answer if you don't know. Yes?
Auntie.
Last you're telling me?
Ma'am, auntie. Auntie age. Next, ma'am.
That's the wrong one.
Okay,
Can I go ahead?
next. Adjective noun for a group of lambs.
Ma'am, group of lambs, ma'am. Countable. Ma'am, countable. Herd.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Answer next.
Herd.
Ma'am, tell me the time.
Herd of lambs. Herd of lambs.
Falguni, ma'am.
Who's noting the time?
Neha ma'am, the time.
Next question, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll have to go to, wait.
We are not giving marks for the third question, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
We go to Delphinus house, Neha ma'am. Okay?
Delphinus house. Okay.
Ma'am, Sanskruti, I will be nominated from
Okay.
Delphinus.
For Delphinus, Sanskrit is there.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
we end up with Cygnus house. Moving on to the Delphinus house, ma'am. Please move to that side.
Yes.
And your time begins now. Identify the idiom in the picture, which means you are very pleased about
Pass.
something.
Pass. Pass.
Pass. Okay, next. Give one word with the suffix age. Anger, which means anger.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Collective noun for group of whales.
Herd of whales. Herd of whales.
No, wrong. Next. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan?
Pass.
No, okay, pass. Next question, ma'am. Give one word for to determine the nature of disease.
No, don't know.
Pass. Next question. On the farm, what is a kid?
Farmer.
On the farm, what is a kid?
Farmer. Pass.
No,
I guess
wrong.
time is up, Falguni ma'am.
Time is up. Okay.
No,
Okay,
no,
ma'am,
no, no, it's still on.
Okay, next
For
question, please.
Delphinus,
Which is a correct spelling? The first one or the second one? Referred.
Time up.
A.
Okay, do we consider this? Falguni ma'am?
Time up, time up.
Time up. So we don't have a single right answer from Delphinus house. Priya ma'am, please note.
yeah, yes ma'am.
Moving to the next house.
Yes.
Next house is Pegasus. And your time begins now. Identify the idiom in the picture, which means you are willing to make a special effort to achieve something. Pegasus, tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know. Next.
Okay, tell me first. Next, give one word with the suffix
Old
age.
age.
Tent as an information.
Old age.
Wrong. Next. Collective noun for a group of rats. Tell me if you don't know the answer.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who is the headmaster of the wizarding school Hogwarts?
Dumbledore. Dumbledore.
Correct. Next. One word for a person who has had one or more limbs removed.
Ma'am, I don't know. Next.
Pass. What is a vixen?
Female fox.
Okay, correct. Next. Which is the correct spelling? First to second.
Ma'am.
Apology.
Ma'am, A. Apology.
Okay. Do we have the time, everyone?
Yes, we'll consider that.
We have time, right?
Neha ma'am, time up.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
consider that. So we have 3 questions correct for Pegasus house.
Yes.
Good one.
Yes, ma'am.
Good show.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. 3
Good.
questions correct goes to Pegasus house. Very good. Moving to the next house, Phoenix.
Next one? Yes.
Phoenix.
Yeah.
Identify the idiom. Your timer begins. Identify the idiom in the picture, which means it is difficult or risky. Nobody wants to deal with. Pass.
Phoenix house, come on.
You passed it.
Pass. Okay. Next question. One word with suffix age, which means tied around a wound.
Caged.
Sorry, wrong answer. Next. Next question. Give collective noun for a group of camels.
Herd of camels.
Sorry?
Herd of camels.
Wrong. It's the wrong answer. Next. Island. In the book Island of the Blue Dolphin, what is the main character's name?
Pass ma'am, don't know.
Pass. Okay, next question. Give one word for no longer a child but yet an adult.
Teenager.
No, it's the wrong answer. Next.
Time up.
Time out.
Time
Okay.
out, time out.
Time up.
Okay. I just want to verify the second question. The answer came in the second attempt. Shall we take it?
Ma'am, I told before so.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
I'm
take that
asking
answer.
Yes,
that
we can
answer.
take it.
So we have one correct answer. We have one
Okay,
correct answer for Phoenix. With this, we end. We come to an end to the rapid fire round as well. And good show, children. Very well done. Very well tried. Let
Ma'am.
us see.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
said heard in the second attempt.
it is not right. It is not right, beta. Others, I would have considered otherwise. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, moving on to Priya ma'am. Can we have the
Yes,
updated
ma'am.
scores, final scores, in fact?
Yes, ma'am. With a heavy heart, I have to say that Cygnus could not score any point in this round. Even Delphinus could not score anything. But yeah, Pegasus did a very good job. They scored 30 in round 4, and Phoenix scored 10 in round
Very
4.
good. So all
Okay.
total, ma'am, what do we have the score? Who's leading?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, let's go with the final score. Okay. In fourth position, we have Cygnus House with 30 marks. Well done, children.
Very well
Very
done,
good.
Cygnus.
Very good, very good.
Cygnus.
Very good. In third position, we have Phoenix House with 40 marks.
Good. Good show.
Very good. Then second position is Delphinus with
Wow.
50
Well
marks.
done.
50 marks.
Congratulations, Delphinus.
And yes, I'm sure you all must have guessed who is the winner here. Pegasus House with 60 marks.
Wonderful.
Superb
Kudos to all the
performance
kids
by
from Pegasus.
everyone.
Wonderful. Congratulations.
Very well done, children. Very well done.
Congratulations.
From the beginning till the end. Good show, instant replies.
Thanks to all the teachers for
Thank
such
you,
a
ma'am.
wonderful show, for all your support at the back end. Neha ma'am for all the anchoring, hosting, the entire English department for the amazing PPT and everything. And I would like
Thank
to
you.
thank here again our school management, the management of Rainbow International School, for providing us with this opportunity of exploring and learning new things. And though we are still giving us this platform to come together and celebrate this language English in such a beautiful way. So thanks to our management, thanks to Vimlesh ma'am for guiding us every time for all the kind of events, and thanks to all the teachers and wonderful students again. Thank you. Have a great day.